Okay, this camera might sound better, but points were totally nasty. They had a solid copper wire, butt connector or whatever connected onto this braided wire, and it was screw was barely tight, plus it's rusted. I didn't have time to clean it. I just put it up here. Condenser wire was in there, right? It's that little tank. Tank on either side, and if you can see that, it squeezed the wire. It was loose, which that could cause a mess, but the valves are bad. You try revving up, I don't know if you can hear it. It starts popping out the intake. Well, when it's popping out the intake, it can't suck no fuel. This carburetor looked brand new inside. We were worried about this. Is this set right? Is it getting enough gas? Yeah, it's getting enough gas. We even tested that. How much gas come out of the hose set exactly like that. We changed to a clear filler so we could see what the garbage, what's in the tank. There's some garbage. It is running. We're going to see if it'll start up on its own. So here we go. Let's see if it'll start up. Okay. Right with no choker nut, it's been running. Okay, we got that hot wired because the ignition was all screwy. We're going to put her on. We're going to try to get rid of this coil and selling it off the top of this because we're taking the head off to do the valves. We're worried about being able to get it exhaust valves. I have a way to make a homemade clamp where I can clamp the valve down. Well, with the exhaust in there, I don't know. We're going to spray that and see if we can get that loose. We're going to spray this elbow and see if in a couple days it'll come loose because we're still waiting for the head gasket. Because we don't know what kind of keepers on it. We don't know if they're pins. We don't know if they're like on a car with the two little halves, the little shells. We have no idea how the valves go on this. We're not familiar with this old 16 horse. Maybe somebody in the comments will be able to tell me how the valves come out. But what it took to get a head gasket. I went to a place that's both selling parts for antique motors. All they have for 16 horse newer Briggs engines. I went to whatever, replacementparts.com. You know that big site carries parts for your wash machines? You know what I mean. It shows the wrench in the logo. I'm not plugging in. I don't get paid. $8 for gasket, $8 to ship it in 3 days. So that's about it on this video. We'll give you a couple of pictures. Just a little update. It's like 70 out, 45 mile an hour wind gust out here. It's nasty, but it's warm. Well, we're done for the day. We're going to jack it up and air a back tire up. If anybody knows what kind of keepers are on them valves, I'm going to go back and look at a diagram I found on the internet, see if that helps. Let me know in the comments if you've had one of these old motors apart. Engine, it's an engine, not a motor. Motor is electric. Anyway, I know a guy that's worked on these, 2 guys, so maybe they'll be able to tell me. But thanks for watching.